Welcome to part 2 of our beach walk.
I just wanted to explain a little bit more, talk a bit more about the catamaran rental that we did. So there's lots of options when you go to Tortola for charters, and lots of different boats to rent, and different options. You can either get the bareboat, that's what we did. We were our own captain. We sailed it ourselves. So you can do that. That's probably the lowest price. And then you can add on, if you want a captain with you for the week, then you got to pay for him, but he'll take care of the boat for you. And then you can actually add on tours, food, a cook. You can have a cook on board. So there's quite a range of ways to do it.
And you can actually rent the power cats as well.
Yeah, power cats. We did the catamaran just because that's what we wanted to do. We wanted to actually do our sailing ourselves because we had experience in that. So that was basically the bucket list that we wanted to do. And yeah, so we did it that way. It was more affordable. We picked the Valley Cat Space 40, which is a 40-foot catamaran. It actually had 4 staterooms. They each had their own head and shower, which was really nice. It was a beautiful catamaran. And that worked out well because we actually brought 3 other couples with us. So there was 8 of us in total. And that really reduced the price. It was basically divided by 4, and which made it very affordable. So it kind of checked off everything for our budget. So that was kind of cool.
Now, Tortola is not necessarily the easiest place to get to, as you saw in our video.
Right.
Our travel 2 days. You're basically having to hop. Now, I do know that some people, instead of going to San Juan, actually go into St. Thomas instead, and then from St. Thomas to Tortola. However, we chose the other route. It just made the scheduling just seem to work better for us. Depends on when you're going, what time of year. It can be more expensive, but it worked out better for us to do it that way. And I think everybody in our group pretty much had to have a layover somewhere. So
yeah,
it works out.
Which made it adventurous, or we
Added
always
to
like
the
the travel days too, and it makes it feel like you are going
thank
away.
you.
No, thank you. And just vendors on the beach here. Do you want to buy stuff? So yeah, so that really worked out well for us. Your budget might be different, and your abilities for sailing might be different. So you might want to go with a captain if you don't feel comfortable with that. But if you have sailing experience, you can do what we did.
And again, affordability is based on what it is that you can afford. And as I said before, what is in our budget may not necessarily be in yours. However, we want to give you different ideas of how to be able to do this, make it work for you affordably. And one of those things is sailing it yourself if you can. The other is time of year. We went during low season or shoulder season. So by going end of October, we definitely got a significant discount because it's not high season. So that is one of the areas in which you can save money. The other is by having more people come with you. That is one way as well. And if this is not your thing and you're not at all interested in doing a catamaran, well, that's fine. If you want to just go to a resort and have them take you for a catamaran ride, you can do that too. So again, what we enjoy and what we have wanted to do for the longest time is do it ourselves. Again, it is a bucket list thing. So for us, it is a little bit more expensive than what we usually would pay for a vacation. But in this case, we're going to save money in other places in order to be able to make this work and be viable for us. So look at all your options. There are a lot of catamaran companies that you can go through. You can sail out of Florida, you can sail out of St. Thomas, and you can sail out of Tortola. There are a lot of places. See what fits your budget. Make something work for you. Don't be afraid to look around. So the floaties. As you can see, there is no shortage of bars and restaurants along the beach. And when I say along the beach, I mean your feet are in the sand. Lots to choose from. And it's actually quite cute. They all have their own personality, their own vibe. And that one had happy hour right now, and it is a little afternoon. So there we go.
Hey. Welcome to Maribrasa. Do you want to see my money?
Not right now, thank you.
Yeah.
But thank you.
Chicken today.
Oh, look at all the food.
You want?
Look, there's lobster in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So cool. Here is a new place on the beach that they are just building. Looking pretty nice right now. Nice beach access. A resort hotel here as well.
What a beautiful day to take a stroll on the beach. Thank you for taking it with us.